All right, so 3 days, our time is up here at Ashton's. We are repacking, reloading, and we're moving further west. We're gonna go see our friend Liz at her gym. I think there's a bit of a get together, hang out, and then we're gonna find camp for the night. Pretty gosh damn good day. So here in Olympia, little party get together for our friend Liz. Pretty excited to hang out. Also, she's got a super sick little garage gym. We're gonna do a little garage gym tour. It's pretty rad for setting up your own gear. I super dig it.
Oh, because it was stubborn 10 pounds.
I've doubled my calories in the last 2 weeks, and the only thing that's happened is my lips are glowing.
Sneaky backyard
Out in
times.
the weight class or like.
So we got a plan. There's currently a barbecue going at this party, and like a true mooch, we're gonna grab a bunch of meat out of the truck and cook it over here. That way we don't have to cook it later.
It's the best plan.
Because my little perfect toots lady right there is gonna be real tired when we get to camp.
If I wasn't at where I'm at right now, I would definitely like.
It's got zucchini in it. It's healthy. It's calorie free.
You wanna taste it?
Chocolate zucchini cake.
I mean, if it helps.
You, sir, have insulted chocolate and you
Oh, I
zucchini.
believe it.
Walking out of the party, now we gotta go find camp. I got a plan. See how she plays out though. Just gotta find shade. That's rule number 1 of camping, shade. So the campsites we had planned on that we had found are full. It's Saturday night, so now we're gonna head to where we're getting up to go on a hike tomorrow morning in Leavenworth. It's like 3 hours away, so we're just gonna drive that way till we find a place to camp. Update, it's now 9:10 and we're in the Gifford-Pinot State Forest, National Forest, looking for a campsite, and we are, I think, 0 for 6. So that's a record for not being able to find camp.
Keep on keeping out.
Yeah. Good morning. This is where we found camp last night. Sometimes they're better than others. This one was just a turn off on this big long trail in National Forest. Get out of here, try to find a diner, and then make plans for the day. Figure out what we can do if we can find ourselves a hike. Preferably a hike to a lake. We haven't done a hike yet, so it's time for a hike. So the National Forest here, this is the Gifford-Pinot National Forest, south of Mount Rainier, and it's fucking great. And as far as camping goes, like National Forest, you're kind of allowed to do whatever you want. National parks are a little bit different. So like the woods here are just super thick. It's super dense. Think of all the woods and stuff that we get to go into. The Pacific Northwest is fucking unreal. Continue making our drive to breakfast, see what we can find. Oh shit, across the street is a White Pass Sports Hut with all kinds of neat things. I'm gonna have to walk right over there.
Yeah?
Yeah, maybe they got something cool, special for just Washington area.
Snowboards that we need.
We're gonna get us a gang of snowboards.
White Pass sounds a little bit racist to me.
We're gonna look at it anyway. Alright, so we're gonna grab some food here at the Blue Spruce, and then we're gonna go find a hike. So, we'll load up the old All Trails app, see what's in the area. We're gonna do this Reflection Lake to Narada Falls. It's 4 miles. It's really not that big of a deal. 900 feet elevation game, but it looks pretty. It seems like it's essentially going to be a full nature day. Just played around in a creek for a little while. We'll find this hike. Get set up on camp like way earlier than last night. Getting into camp at 10 o'clock isn't the most fun. Doesn't leave for much camp chill.
here. Being a little more successful.
Yeah. Man, the woods here, so rad, like all this mossy shit. And the body's finally feeling good after that crash. That's how old I am. It took, was that a Tuesday I did that? Last Tuesday? Almost a week. I'm old. Let's go find this hike and see where this lake goes. See if we can't get a swim in a really cold alpine lake. Slowly but surely making our way into Mount Rainier National Park, as it seems. National parks are weird right now, man. There's a lot of, the National Park Service is super cool, but it's crowded. And it's cool because I'm stoked people want to come and view the parks. But it does end up being this fucking Disney line of cars through it, which is a bummer. Good news is we do get another national park stamp in our park passport. I'm maybe gonna try it again. Park passport book. Park passport book. National park passport book. It's pork. Keep all the various types of porks you've tried inside your book. Pork chop, pork tenderloin, pork fingers.
Shredded pork.
Shredded pork.
Right asleep back there?
He's taking a few plays off. He knows when he's needed.
It's true.
Alright, we've made it in. Things have definitely spread out a little bit. So, let's see. Where did this lead us? Mount Rainier is cool. This is a tiny little edge. Very fucking cool, man. Mount Rainier is one of these parks that we really haven't spent any time in. Spent quite a little bit of time around Mount Hood last year, but actually around Mount Rainier we haven't. Campsites we've found so far have just been jam slam full of people. Work our way through the park, and then we're gonna find camp in the Wenatchee National Forest. So we're gearing up for a little short hike. We'll knock out probably 4 miles or something like that. Yeah, wandering in nature. Let's go. So we'll take the Narada Falls trail down to Reflection Lake and then make our way back. We'll see what we got all the way through. So I do love these khaki goat shorts that we put out, but I didn't plan on them being so the same color as my skin. So now that Brant and I are both wearing them and we're shirtless, because it's amazing outside, we just look like weirdos. Naked dudes, asses out hiking. Good times. I'm gonna scoop a bunch of these tiny pine cones up. Brant said he'd eat them for $5 a piece, so that's what his dinner is gonna be tonight at camp. Save the rest of the meat for us. First little falls of the hike. Super sick. It's crazy how much, just the air temperature drops getting that much closer to the water. You can just feel this giant swing. And then we've actually run into some snow on the ground already, so pretty rad for mid-July. For sure one of the most basic things you can do while hiking, and also can't help yourself from doing, is get somewhere like this and then touch the water and go, ah, it's cold. It's coming off a glacier, of course it's cold. You know how much more fuck that water would be hot? She can't hear me talking about her. So something every day. We're definitely doing there in this trip, whether it's gonna be a hike or a bike or gym or both. Just trying to keep activities pretty high of doing cool shit and enjoying this fucking cool ass America. So we found a bit of steep stuff. Not terribly long hike today, so the whole thing will be just under 4 miles. So nothing too extravagant or strenuous, but it's elevation and we're at, I don't know what elevation we're at, but there's a goddamn mountain right behind us, so pretty high. That's how science works. You know, for now, getting to do hikes and getting to do these type of things, so much of it is just this excitement and gratitude again for being able to do these things that I took for granted forever. You know, once getting out of being pain and having these things to do, as that was one of my big motivators, right? Was this, if I can just get to a point where I can go on hikes again, if I can get a point where I can ride my bike, I'll do that. I'll be smart. So I'm sticking to it. I'm sticking to kind of what I committed and trying to do things the right way. Feel better and be healthy and be active and not go straight back to the thing I know and that I'm good at, which is just strength stuff, and enjoying different kind of focus, different kind of training with the endurance things. See what there's to learn there. Definitely on the downslope here. I think we came out of the gate with the majority of the climb, and then this should bring us to Reflection Lake. Gotten like a few, I guess, glimpses of it, but holy shit. Feast your eyes on this beautiful bastard. Not the worst thing to follow up the trail, if you know what I mean. I touch your butt. Happens. As we are people on a trail, let's go ahead and give her the test.
You gotta touch it.
Oh, she's chilly. Weird.
What?
Mountain water?
What? Isn't that up?
Yeah, I got it there. Can't swim. Says no. Real boner killer. I was gonna slip slide right into that gal. Oh, that came out odd.
Oh no.
So we have made it to Reflection Lake. Now we're gonna take the Wonderland Trail back to the truck. And then we're gonna go find camp. We don't know where that is yet. It's part of the adventure. Who knows? We'll be fine though. We've survived worse. If you're ever gonna come do this hike, the way we chose to do the loop and work our way back around to Narada Falls and then come up on it, so fucking cool. Look at this fucking thing. And we're back to the parking lot of success. We did it. We fucking did it. Basically unstoppable mountaineers now. We hiked a very well trafficked moderate trail. Mountaineers. Hey, let's go find camp. Oh, success, we found camp. All set up here in the woods. Made food. We got our food made. DJ fucking Breezy over here ripping tunes through the woods.
The nature boy.
The nature boy. Get us sued by Ric Flair. Damn good day. Really rad hike. Bunch of cool shit. I think Bonnie and I are gonna try to catch a small workout in the morning here at the truck with some bands. Just kind of loosen up a bit, move around some. Shake the earth up a little, if you know what I mean. And
Go back here and pee.
that's it. That's it. That's it for the day. Time to call it. Spread hate, always party.